The crocheting method for the pink doll is exactly the same as the blue doll. Just change the color of the yarn. The only difference is the ears and hair. For the hair, it is 2 tentacles. Add the iron wires we provide. Just follow the instructions to crochet. Replace the blue yarn for pink yarn. And replace the light blue part with light pink yarn. Use the same stitches. Make another pink doll. Only change the hair and ears. The pink doll's head is 2 tentacles. First crochet according to the instructions. This is a length of 35 crocheted circles. The length of the tentacles can be adjusted as you like. Wrap yarn, pull it through the loop, leave 10 inches of yarn and then cut it off. Pull yarn through and tighten it. Insert iron wire into it. We have 2 iron wires. Bend the wire straight. Bend one end. Insert it into the tentacles just made. After the wire is passed to the tail end, leave about 1.5 inches in length and cut the wire. The tentacles are now ready, and the wire will be inserted into the head later for sewing.